One of the most expensive sentences in enterprise tech is, "We can't do that. The system won't let us." A customer wants something. A market shifts. A competitor acts. AI opens opportunities. Inside the organization, someone must acknowledge, "We see the opportunity. We know how to respond." But our systems can't adapt. This indicates a technology and strategy problem. This creates what I call the adaptability gap. The adaptability gap is the difference between how quickly the world changes and how fast your organization can respond. In 2026, this gap will influence boardroom discussions. AI, regulations, customer expectations, and competitive forces move faster than traditional enterprise models. Composable architecture matters because it determines how quickly your company can change direction. Welcome to the Rewired C-Suite. Part 1. The monolith problem. For decades, enterprises chose large software systems from single vendors. One large vendor, one large platform, one promise. Everything in one place. Finance, HR, supply chain, customer data, all integrated. This made sense when the world was slower and business models were stable. Now, tightly integrated systems mean changes impact multiple areas. Change pricing, and suddenly billing and compliance are affected. What should take weeks becomes a 9-month project. That is architectural gravity. The business decides quickly, but systems cannot deliver. Strategy says yes, but the system says no. This is the adaptability gap. Companies begin to limit strategy based on system capabilities. When technology dictates strategy, we lose adaptability. Part 2. Understanding composable architecture. Composable architecture is a straightforward concept. Think about the difference between marble and Lego. Marble is beautiful but fixed. To change it, you break or restart. Lego allows rearranging and reusing. That is composability. Instead of a fixed system, build using modular capabilities. Each capability performs one task effectively, connects through standards, and can evolve independently. For the C-suite, composable architecture changes a rigid structure into a reconfigurable one. This enables 3 key advantages: replace a capability without rebuilding everything, add new capabilities more swiftly, experiment cheaper and faster. Lower costs lead to bolder strategies. The company can test, learn, stop, scale, and adapt. That brings strategic value. Part 3. 4 business outcomes. So, what does composability mean for you? How? 1. Speed without recklessness. Composable architecture allows localized speed. A team can test customer journeys. A unit can try new pricing models. An operations team can enhance workflows. Executives benefit from controlled speed. 2. Vendor freedom. Vendor lock-in becomes a significant issue. You've invested heavily in one ecosystem, creating dependency. Composable architecture changes this dynamic. Modular capabilities mean no single vendor controls your future. This gives the CFO financial leverage. 3. AI readiness. You can't add AI to rigid systems. AI needs access to data, workflows, and context. Close, fragile systems limit AI potential. Before buying an AI tool, ask, is our architecture ready for AI value? Architecture determines if AI potential turns into reality. 4. Innovation at the edges. In monolithic companies, innovation is centralized. One platform, one release cycle, one approval process. In a composable model, innovation can occur at various levels. Regional teams and partners can build on shared capabilities. This fosters organic development without enterprise delays. Part 4. From products to ecosystems. Composable architecture focuses on building internal capabilities. Platform thinking allows your company to become an ecosystem. Many successful companies didn't just create products. They built platforms. Traditional enterprises focus on transactions. Platform thinking asks, how can our capabilities serve others? What if we allow partners to create value? That's the shift from products to ecosystems. A product serves existing customers. A platform attracts new partners. You can't become a platform from a monolith. Composable architecture is essential for this transformation. Part 5. The risks. Composable architecture is not a no-risk solution. Done poorly, it leads to chaos. 3 risks to consider. 1. Complexity moves. Moving from a big system to modular components shifts complexity to connections. Who manages interfaces and security? 2. Data bottleneck. Poor data quality hampers composability. 3. Organizational change needed. Modular tech must align with decentralized decision-making for success. Part 6. C-Suite implications. CEOs should focus on adaptability over rigid structures. Composable architecture is not merely an IT upgrade, it's an enterprise adaptability initiative. CFOs must value optionality in vendor relationships and respond swiftly to changes. Board members should ask, how quickly can we change our systems? If delays are measured in quarters, there is an architecture problem. For CIOs and CTOs, prioritize business value, speed, and risk in your discussions. Part 7. Starting point. Avoid a big bang approach. Instead, prioritize renovations, focusing on high change capabilities first. Map your capabilities and identify areas likely to change. Start with high change areas and empower related teams. Composable technology without a flexible approval process will stall progress. Autonomy is essential for speed. Close. The real decision. Every time someone says, "We can't do that. The system won't let us," it exposes the adaptability gap. This gap signifies a disconnect between strategy and capability. Composable architecture minimizes this gap, not by offering better tech, but by enabling more flexibility. It allows for experimentation without risking the organization. Ultimately, it accelerates organizational responsiveness. This is the real C-Suite bet for 2026. While the monolith promised stability, composable architecture embraces change. In uncertain times, rigidity exposes vulnerability. The fastest adapting organizations will thrive. Composable architecture and platform thinking focus on strategic adaptability. That is why the future belongs to the Rewired C-Suite. Thanks for watching.